In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this backflip box for my low-C monster trucks, scale RC monster trucks, so that we could do easy, nasty backflips. And the good news is it was all made out of scrap wood, leftover screws, so super cheap, easy to make. I am using for this project leftover fence picket scraps. First thing you need to do with these is mark out two 45-degree angles on them like you see here. I don't know if you can see it very well on the camera. 145 here, 145 here. I spaced them around 6 inches, a little bit less apart because that's how wide the boards are. They're just a little bit under 6 inches. So you get 3 of those. These will be forming the base. And then you get a whole bunch that I'm cutting at 24-inch long. Those are going to end up serving as our sides here, and then the box that we have up on the top. I cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. I think I may need an 8th just to really round it out, but we're going to see. So marked up again 3 of these, and then I have 7, maybe 8 of these boards that are going to be cut at 24 inches long. With all the parts cut out, we're now going to set these uprights at 24 inches total width, because that is where these parts are going to come in right here and screw in. So the first one's set at the edge at 0, center line on 12, edge on the outside edge at 24. I'm going to grab some screws and we're just simply going to start screwing these on both sides and the top, and then we're going to look at how are we going to assemble those outside, the kind of the box part at the top. I have now done countless backflips, box, bumps off of it, all the things off this box. It's nice and durable. Because it's made out of fence pickets, it's waterproof, so I can leave it outside if I need to, and I don't have to worry about it rotting away. I'm probably going to do a few more things to it. I'm probably going to be sanding it down, make it look a little bit smoother, maybe paint some like scale monster truck, like white stripes on it, maybe paint the whole thing brown, you know, make it look a little bit more scale. But really, for what it is right now, pretty happy with it. My buddy Rich D and I, we came over, we had a blast backflipping off of it and everything, and we're having fun with it, which is really, at the end of the day, the most important thing. So I hope this is useful for you. If you were looking to build something like that, then leave me a comment down below. Let me know if this was useful. I have some other videos that'll pop up over here, and we will see you in one of those. Thank you, and goodbye.